Hello, welcome. Let's look at this WAEC physics for 2018 question 50. A nuclei is represented by B70 32. Determine its neutron proton ratio. This is ratio, neutron proton ratio. Now, given that we have 70 B32, it means that this is the atomic number, whereas this 70 is the mass number. So 32 is the atomic number and 70 is the mass number. But we know that the number of proton plus the number of neutron is equal to the mass number, whereas the number of proton alone is the atomic number. So now, what is the mass of proton alone? Is 32. 32 is the atomic number. Now, whereas the mass number, which is proton and neutron, is 70. So to get the number of neutron, we have to do 32 minus 70. So what would that give us? We have 0 here, and we have 6 minus 3. We have 6 minus we have 8 here, that is 10 minus 2, 8. Then we have 3 here, 38. So number of neutron is 38. So we now have, and we are asked to find the neutron proton ratio. So if neutron is 38 and proton, which is atomic number, we already know is 32, is 32. So neutron is 38, proton is 32. So what is the ratio? So to get the ratio, we'll divide through by the smallest number. So if you divide this by 32 and divide this by 32, so when you divide this one, you're going to get 1. So what will you get when you divide 38 by 32? 38 divided by 32 will give us 1.187. Your 1.1875. So approximately 1.2 is to 1. So what we get is 1.2 is to 1. So 1.2 is the ratio, and that makes C the answer to this problem. So C is the answer because it's 1.2 is to 1, and that is the answer.